everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have a super quick update for my Painter's Pan. This is one that I am slowly winding down because stress. Plain and simple, it's because of stress. I just don't want to stress over trying to pick things out for it, struggling, trying to find that nuance for people I don't really know well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Can you see Greta being like goofy back there? Let me turn my chair. She's just having a blast, rolling around on her back on the bed. Sorry, I get so easily distracted. So yeah, I am winding this down, but I did say that I wanted to, she's crazy. I wanted to finish everything that I had in for all of the painters that I had rolled in. And I do have one more rollout. And then I have two other products that are going to stay in for two other painters. So let's go over the rollout while Greta's being absolutely goofy. She is stealing this show here. She really is. All right, so this is for a little Gemini doll, and I'm going to have her Instagram linked down below. She did the Oh My Pans 200 and did amazingly well. So I brought in this palette. It is the, I don't know, Shop Massé. It's from Shop Massé, Majesty palette, and there were 6 highlighters in here. One already had pan, so the other 5 I was attempting to hit pan on. And yeah, I have done it. I probably should have cleaned off the palette, but look, I've got bam, bam, bam. This one was already done here and here. Some of them actually have pretty sizable pan because the pink I was using with the yellow and the white I was using with the darker shade. And I don't know if you can see, there's actually double pan on that one. So yeah, there's a good shot of what it looks like. Pan in every single one. It is a dusty mess. I really enjoy this palette, which is a good thing because I have 2 more because they mistakenly sent me 3 of these instead of empty magnetic palettes, which I never got. And they gave me a credit for, but I never used it. So I'm sure that's expired by now, but I don't care. I do enjoy it. It's not something I really wanted to have in my collection, but I am using it. I'm enjoying it. And I don't know, I'm kind of debating doing Pan That Face palette next year and maybe putting this in. I'm not sure. It's just kind of a thought, but I mean, it's only March, so I really shouldn't even be thinking about what I'm panning for next year, but that's just the way my brain works. All right. I have 2 other panners in. They're both going to be hanging out for a few more months at least. And the first one is Andrea, Pretty as a Peacock. I cannot speak tonight. It is late. I'm tired. And so I have Bare Minerals Lime that I did Franken, attempting to finish this one. And it is slow going. I think I put too much binder in here. Not in the Franken because I did not put any more binder in it, but I think previous to that I did. So I don't know if I'm going to have to like re-Franken this with something that will kind of counteract that binder. So like maybe something loose I might put in here to see if that works and see if I can get this one used up. I do really like this shadow, but I think, like I said, I put too much binder in it, so it's making it very hard to get product onto my brush with that one. And when I'm struggling with things, I ignore them. I just don't want to mess with them. Next is going to be Jenn from Project Beauty. She's our neighbor to the north up in Canada. Love her so much, and I love hearing her son in the background. I just love hearing him. And I brought this in for her because she also makes very beautiful eye looks. This is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Forest Eve. This one is slow going. I don't know if you can see. I have decent pan. There it is, catching the light. But it's still going to take a while. It is getting thinner through here because I don't necessarily concentrate on the area that has pan. But I really need to get a move on this one. It has been in here forever. And I really wasn't thinking when I brought it in to finish like a year and a half ago. It's been in for a while. They both have been in. So I really need to focus on getting those done. They're not in my makeup basket this week, which I just filmed. I am attempting to film this because, like I said, in the other video in my makeup basket, I don't know if I'm going to feel up to filming or doing anything this week, so we're just gonna have to wait and see. But I'm trying to do as much as I can, and I will edit this when I feel like I can edit it. And who knows, maybe I will see if I can get another video done, but it's almost 1 a.m. and I need to be in the infusion center in like 9 hours, so maybe I probably shouldn't film anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Definitely go check out all the beautiful ladies that have been in this project in the past, the ones that are currently still in it. Give everyone some love and support, because that is what this project is all about. And I guess that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.